To fix the Bosch Boiler E9 error code, it is essential to understand its meaning, causes, and solutions. The E9 error code typically indicates a flame loss during operation, which can be caused by various factors such as a faulty flame sensor, incorrect gas supply, or blockages in the burner. First, check the gas supply to ensure it is turned on and the pressure is correct. Next, inspect the burner and combustion chamber for any blockages or debris. Clean or replace the burner and combustion chamber as necessary. Check the flame sensor for any signs of wear or damage. If the flame sensor is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Ensure the sensor is properly connected to the boiler's control board. Verify the boiler's ignition system is functioning correctly. If the ignition system is faulty, it may need to be replaced or serviced by a professional. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, it is recommended to consult a professional heating engineer to diagnose and repair the problem. They can perform a thorough inspection of the boiler and its components to identify the root cause of the error code. Regular maintenance of the boiler can help prevent the E9 error code from occurring in the future. This includes annual servicing, cleaning the burner and combustion chamber, and checking the gas supply and ignition system. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve the Bosch Boiler E9 error code and ensure your boiler is functioning safely and efficiently. Remember to always refer to the boiler's manual and follow safety guidelines when performing any repairs or maintenance.